Hey there! What are today's messages? Trust that an ending is followed by a new beginning. P.S. Don't engage with someone giving the silent treatment. Silent treatment is a form of manipulation to control another person. Allow them to be silent. Don't beg to be spoken to. When they return, let them know you won't tolerate your existence being denied. The Holistic Psychologist. Ripples. When you create a difference in someone's life, you not only impact their life, you impact everyone influenced by them throughout their entire lifetime. Go make waves. You can't give your life more time, so give the time you have left more life. And the last one today, planting. If you plant for days, plant flowers. If you plant for years, plant trees. If you plant for eternity, plant people. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.